Hi, today in front of me Motorola E32s and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the Icon Changer app on this device. So let's first launch Google Play or Play Store just to get the Icon Changer app. And after that, tap here to install button. So now we should get this application. That's why let's wait a couple of seconds while this application will download and then installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app. And find one from these applications which icon you wanna change. For example, I'll use the phone app. Just to rename it, click here on the edit icon. We can here use library with the folders with different icons just to use them. Also, if you wanna use photo from your device gallery or to take a camera picture right now, you should just select one from these available options. I'll use just regular library default icon. For example, when you select it, tap on the OK on the right upper corner. Now we should just skip the videos. And after that, tap to add to home screen, go to desktop or change next icon by the same way. So let's just check our new phone icon so we can see the difference. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.